Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you at the game that I've been working on most recently in the past few weeks, and that's the reason I haven't been uploading in such a long time. Now let's just without further ado, without any wasting of time, let's just see how the game works, what the game actually is. So as soon as you start the game, you will be greeted with some dancing robot because I don't know, I just thought it was cool. And you will have these three buttons: the quit button, the start button, and the, the settings button. Now let's start with the quit button. As you guys can see, it doesn't work. The reason is because I am running this game in Unity and this thing doesn't want to quit the entire game. So what it does is, if I run this in an executable file, an exe file, it would quit the game. But right now it doesn't want to, because it doesn't want to quit the entire Unity. Settings button is still under progress. It's still undergoing progress, and the start button most definitely works. So let's see exactly what the start button does. When you press the start button, it starts the game, and you'll be greeted with this guy right here, and he is actually a free model that I got from Google. And actually I animated everything myself, even though the model was free. And then you'll see a guy chasing behind him. Which is the robot, your enemy. If he touches you, you will die and shatter into pieces. Now this is also a free model I got into, a guy got in Google, but it came with its own animation. I tried creating a run animation, but I kind of feel like that one was a bit better than mine, so I just went with that one. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I've done in my game so far. But you will see something that are a bit unusual, unlike most other games. You will see no rigid body component. For a game that requires physics, you will need a rigid body component. If I do add component and do rigid body, this basically gives the player or the item that you put this component in, it will give anything physics. It will give something physics. That's the rigid body component. Now, the reason I don't have this on is because of this other component called the character control. It makes your character controlling and character managing really simple, but it has a downside, and that is you can't use rigid body. So now you guys may be thinking, wait, there's clearly physics in this game. If I jump, I will fall down. So what's going on here? I thought you said there was no physics. Now the reason I have physics is because I scripted or coded the physics in myself in this third person script. Now you can see gravity and other stuff like that that you would usually not see in a game with the rigid body. And yeah, that will be all I'm going to be doing for this video. I don't want to bore you guys with topics that you guys don't understand yet or haven't gone through yet. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.